In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel overwhelming. With bills, savings, investments, and unexpected expenses bearing down, it's easy to lose track of your hard-earned money. But fear not! The right personal finance management software can turn chaos into clarity, helping you take control of your finances like a pro. Whether you're looking to budget better, track expenses, or save for that dream vacation, I will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. We'll explore the features that matter most, how to evaluate your options, and tips for maximizing your savings. By the end of this video, you'll be empowered to choose the perfect software that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle so you can pave the way to a brighter financial future. Let's dive into the world of personal finance management and unlock the potential of your savings. Personal finance management software is a digital tool designed to help individuals manage their money more effectively. It offers a comprehensive solution for tracking income, expenses, savings, and investments by consolidating all your financial data in one place. These tools provide a clear picture of your financial health, enabling you to make informed decisions. The primary goal is to simplify financial management, making it accessible even for those who may not have a background in finance. These software programs come with various features tailored to different financial needs and goals. From budgeting and expense tracking to investment management and financial planning, they cater to a wide range of financial activities. By automating many of these tasks, personal finance software reduces the manual effort required, allowing you to focus on achieving your financial objectives. Moreover, it provides real-time updates and insights, ensuring you remain on top of your financial situation at all times. In today's digital age, the importance of personal finance management software cannot be overstated. With the increasing complexity of financial products and services, having a reliable tool to manage your finances can significantly reduce stress and improve financial outcomes. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or nearing retirement, these tools can help you navigate the financial landscape with confidence. When choosing personal finance management software, it's essential to consider the features that will best support your financial goals. One of the most critical features is budgeting. Effective software should allow you to create, customize, and monitor budgets with ease. This includes setting spending limits for different categories, tracking your progress, and receiving alerts when you approach or exceed your limits. A robust budgeting feature helps ensure you live within your means and allocate funds to your priorities. Another vital feature is expense tracking. The software should automatically categorize your transactions, making it easy to see where your money goes. This insight can help you identify spending patterns, cut unnecessary expenses, and make more informed financial decisions. Additionally, look for software that offers detailed reporting and analytics. These tools provide a deeper understanding of your financial habits and highlight areas for improvement. Integration with other financial tools and institutions is also crucial. The best personal finance software can connect with your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts, providing a holistic view of your financial situation. This integration ensures that all your financial data is up to date and accurate. Furthermore, features like bill reminders, goal setting, and investment tracking can enhance your financial management experience, helping you stay organized and focused on your financial objectives. One of the primary benefits of using personal finance management software is the ability to maintain financial discipline. By providing a clear overview of your financial situation, these tools encourage responsible spending and saving habits. They help you stay on track with your budgets, avoid overspending, and ensure that you meet your savings and investment goals. This disciplined approach can lead to significant long-term financial benefits, including reduced debt and increased wealth. Another advantage is the time-saving aspect of personal finance software. Managing finances manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. With automated features like transaction categorization, expense tracking, and bill reminders, these tools streamline the process, making it more efficient and accurate. This automation frees up time that you can use for other important activities, such as planning for the future or enjoying leisure activities. Personal finance software also provides valuable insights into your financial habits and performance. By analyzing your spending patterns, income, and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut costs and optimize your financial strategy. Many software programs offer visualizations, such as charts and graphs, that make it easier to understand your financial data. These insights empower you to make informed decisions and take proactive steps to improve your financial health. There are numerous personal finance management software options available, each with its unique features and benefits. One of the most well-known options is Mint. Mint offers comprehensive budgeting tools, expense tracking, and financial goal setting. It connects with various financial institutions, providing a consolidated view of your finances. Mint's user-friendly interface and robust mobile app make it a popular choice for individuals looking to manage their finances effectively. Another widely used software is YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB focuses on proactive budgeting, encouraging users to allocate every dollar to a specific purpose. This approach helps users gain control over their spending and prioritize their financial goals. YNAB also offers educational resources and workshops to help users improve their financial literacy and budgeting skills. Its emphasis on building a financial cushion and reducing debt makes it a valuable tool for many users. For those interested in investment management, Personal Capital is an excellent option. Personal Capital combines budgeting and expense tracking with robust investment management tools. It offers detailed insights into your investment portfolio, including asset allocation, performance analysis, and retirement planning. Personal Capital's wealth management services and personalized financial advice make it an attractive choice for individuals looking to grow their investments while managing their overall finances. When deciding between free and paid personal finance software, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each. Free software, such as Mint, offers a range of basic features that can be sufficient for many users. These tools typically include budgeting, expense tracking, and integration with financial institutions. The primary advantage of free software is that it provides essential financial management tools without any cost, making it accessible to a broad audience. However, free software may come with limitations. Some free versions may include ads, which can be distracting and reduce the user experience. Additionally, free software may lack advanced features, such as investment tracking, detailed reporting, or personalized financial advice. These limitations can be a drawback for users with more complex financial needs, or those looking for a comprehensive financial management solution. Paid personal finance software, such as YNAB or Personal Capital, typically offers more advanced features and a higher level of support. These tools often include enhanced budgeting options, investment management, and personalized financial advice. While the cost can be a consideration, the additional features and support can justify the expense for many users. Paid software may also offer a more polished user experience, without ads and with priority customer support. Ultimately, the choice between free and paid software depends on your financial needs, goals, and budget. Before choosing personal finance management software, it's crucial to evaluate your financial needs and goals. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, savings, and debt. Understanding your financial baseline will help you identify the areas where you need the most support, whether it's budgeting, expense tracking, or investment management. Next, consider your short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals might include creating an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals could involve buying a home, saving for retirement, or building a diverse investment portfolio. Clearly defining your goals will help you choose software that offers the features and tools necessary to achieve them. Finally, think about your financial habits and preferences. Do you prefer a hands-on approach to managing your finances? Or do you want a tool that automates most tasks? Are you looking for detailed financial analysis and reporting? Or do you prefer a simpler, more intuitive interface? Understanding your preferences and habits will guide you in selecting software that aligns with your lifestyle and financial management style. Once you've chosen the right personal finance management software, getting started is the next step. Begin by setting up your accounts and linking them to the software. This process typically involves connecting your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. Ensuring that all your financial data is integrated will provide a comprehensive view of your finances. Next, take the time to explore the software's features and tools. Familiarize yourself with the budgeting, expense tracking, and reporting functionalities. Many software programs offer tutorials and guides to help you get the most out of their features. Investing time in learning how to use the software effectively will pay off in the long run, as you'll be better equipped to manage your finances. Set up your financial goals and create a budget that aligns with those goals. Use the software's tools to allocate funds to different categories, track your spending, and monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial data and adjust your budget as needed. Staying proactive and engaged with your financial management will help you stay on track and achieve your financial objectives. Choosing the right personal finance management software is a crucial step in taking control of your finances and maximizing your savings. By understanding the features and benefits of different software options, evaluating your financial needs, and considering your preferences, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Whether you opt for free or paid software, the key is to find a tool that supports your financial objectives and helps you stay disciplined and organized. Remember to take the time to learn and explore the features of your chosen software. Set up your accounts and create a budget that reflects your financial goals. Regularly review your financial data, adjust your budget as needed, and stay proactive in managing your finances. With the right personal finance management software, you can transform financial chaos into clarity, achieve your financial objectives, and pave the way to a brighter financial future. Empower yourself with the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions and take control of your financial destiny. Here's to a more organized, disciplined, and prosperous financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.